Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back to our Yoga Basics Learn a Yoga Pose series. All right, our last pose that we did in the series was Bird Dog. The next one we're going to learn is Supta Baddha Konasana, also known as Reclined Butterfly, okay? So, simple pose, right? And we have a couple of options for you when we work into it. So let's come on down to our backs. So we'll start off in Shavasana, which was the first pose that we did in the series. And then it's real simple. All we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the soles of our feet together and let the knees go out to the side. Now, when I say there's a couple of options, ideally, if you're really tight in your hips and you get any pain or discomfort when you bring the soles of your feet together, keep your feet further down toward the end of the mat. So if you bring your feet in and then let the hips open up, remember, soles of your feet together, if they're really close to your body, the further you go down toward the end of the mat, your feet are going to open up so they look like a butterfly, just like your legs do and your knees do, okay? And that should feel much better in your body. And then just relax. Now, this is a pose I like to work into a lot of the classes. I even work this into my power classes. And I'll do it sometimes in the middle, sometimes in the beginning, sometimes at the end. And do it in the beginners classes too. So it's, again, an all-purpose pose, all right? And then take the feet and legs back down to the end of the mat. And then I'm gonna draw my knees in, rock up. All right. So that's Supta Baddha Konasana, also known as Reclined Butterfly. Hope you enjoyed that. Now, next pose in the series, click on one of or the other up in the corner. And then the other one is going to be for our yoga foundations where we're breaking down poses, okay? So hope to see you soon. Have a great day.